Guys, today I'm going to teach you how can you center this Windows icon in Windows 11. Okay, you can see this is in the left side. I want to bring it in the between. To do so, just right click in this taskbar. Then after go to taskbar setting. And after scroll down here, and you can find out here taskbar behaviors. Click that, and here is taskbar alignment. Wherever it is, just here you can find our left. Click this drop down list and click the center, and you can easily center this taskbar setting in Windows 11. Okay guys, thanks for watching this tech. Do share, comment, subscribe for more videos.